So Jayne, UEFA are announcing today that you have been named as the ambassador for the Women's Champions League final in Cardiff next year. Are you proud to be the ambassador for such a big event?
Yeah, what a fantastic opportunity to profile the women's game in Wales and beyond, hopefully. It's going to be a massive opportunity for us to increase participation numbers, increase interest in our women's national teams and hopefully our league teams as well.
Absolutely. Now you won the final in 2007 with Arsenal, remain the only UK-based side to have won the title. Where does that rank in certain of your sort of career highlights?
The year it actually happened, 2007, was probably our most prolific. We won the quadruple. As an individual, it was probably my favourite season because everything just seemed to go well and everything went right. Obviously, on top of winning league trophies, League Cups, FA Cups, actually getting to a point where we could pick this trophy up was just fantastic. So we'd played in the competition for many years, probably at least 5 times prior to being able to do that. So it was a massive thing for the club at the time and a fantastic thing for all the players involved.
It would have been 10 years ago. At the time of the final next year, when it's in Cardiff, it'll be 10 years ago. Have you seen the competition change in that time?
Yeah, it's changed dramatically. The game as a whole has changed dramatically, whether we talk international level or club level in most countries. You know, it's a growing sport and thankfully it's the standard is developing day by day. So it's going to be an interesting final when it comes round, and 10 years is a long time. That makes me feel old.
So you've mentioned participation. How do you see the Women's Champions League final next year impacting women's football in Wales?
The big thing for me in the projects, obviously, where we've started now and we're involved in, is it's going to provide an opportunity for all people involved in women's football in Wales to see the top level of the game, and that's not been available to many people in the past, apart from obviously watching games on different TV channels. Actually seeing a live game and seeing those players in a live environment are going to have a massive impact on my younger players in particular.